Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin on your phone with essentials: a verified Google account, a live website or eligible YouTube channel, and payment details. Open Chrome or Safari and go to the AdSense sign-up page. Enter your Google account and current site URL. Once done, verify site ownership in Search Console or connect your YouTube channel. This proves you control the content and speeds approval. Make sure your site follows content policies and has multiple pages so automated reviewers can evaluate quality. You now fill the publisher profile carefully: legal name, mailing address, tax info, and a valid phone number. Choose your payment currency and preferred payout method, then input bank details exactly as your bank lists them. Mismatches delay payments. Next, implement the AdSense ad code snippet into your mobile site template or confirm that YouTube linking is active. Once implemented, generate some organic traffic and impressions. Reviewers look for real user activity before granting full approval. You finish by verifying identity and payments. Enter the mailed PIN and confirm the small test deposit if requested. Check the AdSense dashboard or app for review status updates. Reviewers may ask you to address policy flags or add clearer content. If approved, create ad units and place them responsively for mobile. If the application is rejected, don't panic. Review the rejection reason, remove any restricted content, improve page depth and navigation, then reapply once those fixes are complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.